Hey guys, in this super quick tutorial, I will show you how to make the window taskbar completely transparent. There's no option in the taskbar settings that will allow us to make the taskbar completely transparent. So we'll be using a third-party tools. First, let's head over to Microsoft Store. I have the Microsoft Store icon on my taskbar. You can also search for it in the Start menu or open a search box on your taskbar. Tap Store. I will click it. In the search bar, type translucent TB. Here is it. I'll click that. This app is totally free and safe. I will hit install and wait for the app to install. Installation is complete. I'll go ahead and click open. You will notice the taskbar instantly turns transparent. I will click continue. There's a notification here, translucent TB lives in the system tray. We can go to the system tray and customize the way we want it. Go down to your system tray and right-click on translucent TB icon. We have few options available to us. So we want to customize the dice tab. I will hover over the dice tab options. You will see a few options that you can play with. If you ever decide you don't want it anymore, it's super easy to remove. So let's first go to the system tray, right-click the icon, and click Exit. To completely remove the app from your PC, go to Settings, click Apps, Install Apps, scroll down and look for translucent TB, or better still, just search for the app. Here's the app. Click the three dots and select uninstall. Now we have removed the app from the PC. It's also good to restart your PC after uninstalling a program. Thanks for watching. That's how you make a window taskbar completely transparent. Follow for more window tips.